Introduction. Goat fencing and pasture management are essential for maintaining a healthy and productive goat herd. Proper fencing keeps goats safe and prevents them from wandering off, while effective pasture management ensures they have access to nutritious forage. Fencing types: woven, wire. Fencing. This is a durable and commonly recommended option for goats. It should be at least 4 feet tall, but for larger breeds, adding an electric wire above the top can prevent escapes. Electric fencing. Highly effective for containing goats and deterring predators. Electric fences can be permanent or portable, making them suitable for rotational grazing. Chain link fencing. Very strong and long-lasting, though it is more expensive. It's a good option for long-term installations or smaller herds. Panel fencing. Metal panels are sturdy and can be used for smaller areas or temporary setups. These need to be augmented with additional wiring to prevent young goats from escaping. Installation tips: ensure all fencing is tight and secure. Goats are known for testing fences, so sturdy construction is crucial. Use strong posts and consider cementing them into the ground to prevent goats from pushing them over. For electric fences, training goats to respect the fence is important. Initially, monitor them closely to ensure they learn not to touch it. Pasture management: rotational grazing. Moving goats between different pasture areas helps prevent overgrazing and reduces parasite loads. Ideally, pastures should have a rest period to allow vegetation to recover. Forage diversity. Include a mix of grasses, legumes, and browse plants. This not only provides balanced nutrition, but also helps control parasites, as some plants have natural anthelmintic properties. Parasite control. Manage pasture to minimize parasite risks by avoiding overgrazing and maintaining proper sanitation. Consider co-grazing with other livestock, such as cattle, which can help break the parasite life cycle. Maintenance regularly. Inspect fences for damage and repair any weak spots immediately to prevent escapes. Maintain electric fences by keeping the lines clear of vegetation and ensuring the energizer is functioning properly. Manage pastures by mowing, reseeding as necessary, and rotating grazing areas to maintain healthy forage growth.